cashew nut with vegetables, one steamed rice,
Spinach.
and we are really hungry. There you go, a lot of iron for our babies. Okay, so we finished our delicious food and we are beach ready. And as if we are in a beachfront hotel, haha, there we go. We had some banana with coconut milk. This is a traditional Thai dessert. It's just delicious. We are avoiding cinnamon because of the baby, okay, which I don't mind to avoid because I love my babies, you get that. But if you are not like pregnant, you like cinnamon, maybe you can also enjoy that with cinnamon. It's just delicious. So that's the beach life. Have some good meal, enjoy a good hanger on the beach with this beauty right here on my side. Such a good present. So we are walking by the beach, and besides our hotel there are two beautiful bars like this one here on the way to the other corner. Perfect spot to spend a sunset, spend the whole day.
Oh my god.
What happened there?
Oh my god.
You went down?
Yes.
She got very scared. She thought she would sink on the earth.
Oh, because I sank so
The
fast
ground.
when I stepped.
That was funny. Oh, it's okay? He felt? Yeah, it's okay. Mama is here. I was going to pull you out. No worries. So we walked until the end of the beach we are staying, and now you can cross to the next beach by walk, as you just saw in the video.
I think like you cannot cross the whole day, but now it's low tide.
Yeah, exactly. And I will leave the name of the beach here on the video for you because I still don't know. I don't have Google now, cannot ask him. I didn't see any signal. We are just getting to know the place. Of course, my beautiful Destiny girl did a big plan for us. We're searching to see the best spots on the island. She's kind of trying to see if she's gonna sink again or not. Are you? What is there? Somebody's mining? A spin? That's what she was talking about. We had a very good walk until the end of this side of the island. Maybe there's another beach after that curve, but we feel like
Good for today.
yeah, exactly. We're probably gonna stop by somewhere to watch the sunset, chill a little bit more, take a dip on the sea, and enjoy some good meal. Let's go have our meal. Super hungry. editing our next video and having some good meal here by the sea, which we cannot see right now, but I can assure you I'm really listening to it. If you need more information, make sure to check the link below to our blog, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Good night, guys.